Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 13th of October 2024. I'll be going over my weekly prediction for SPY. As usual, I'll be going over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts. And then I'll switch over to the Excel sheet where we'll review last week's prediction and go over this one in more detail. But before getting into the video, it is important to make the disclaimer that all information here is completely educational and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis, whatever analysis that may be, to ensure that you're comfortable with the risk, reward, and trading style, since you may not be with mine. But with that out of the way, let's just get into this video. Monthly charts we can see have been extremely bullish for an SPY. And although the month has just started, we can see that we'll see when we get to the weekly charts that it is already continuing this bullish trend. However, what is concerning is the volume. We can see volume is clearly diverging. I've been saying this for a while, meaning that this trend is losing strength significantly. And this at this point is just like a dragged on uptrend, and it is bound to come to an end very, very soon in the short to intermediate term. All indicators are all bullish because obviously the overarching pattern is bullish, but this is something to know that the volume clearly is not backing up the price movement that we're seeing. Now, here we can see again this trend line that I drew last week is completely in line with what happened. RSI is still diverging from price, which is again another negative signal. The volume was lower than last week, but the S&P 500 and so the SPY made a new high. Again, MACD, this is another bullish signal. There's a bunch of bullish signals here. However, this RSI divergence and the lower volume is concerning, which shows that people at this point are just buying and buying and buying. But there will come an exhaustion point where this is not going to save people. And it's not, I mean, this again, here clearly we can see, again, daily charts, similar pattern, this kind of ascending double. We're kind of bouncing off of the trend line, meaning these are good trend lines. Volume is questionable. There's very low volume for such a long uptrend. Again, the MACD has crossed, the 12 period has crossed the 26 period. So that's another bullish signal. So we do have a bunch of bullish signals going around here for SPY. But it is important to note that they aren't strong bullish signals. Now, last week, we had a buy signal at 575.77. We closed at 579.58, giving us a small profit of $853.44, bringing our cumulative P&L up to $129,910.69. This week, we will buy when it crosses 582 and sell when it falls below 565.01 with a target of 1%, trailing stop loss of 0.5%. If neither are hit, then we will just close on Friday. The weekly trend is up and the monthly trend is also up. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.